Understanding the Engine Control Module, ECM, Symptoms of a Bad ECM. The Engine Control Module, ECM, is a crucial component of modern vehicle technology. Also known as the Engine Control Unit, AQ. The ECM is responsible for controlling the engine's vital functions, including ignition timing, fuel injection, idle speed, and emissions control. It uses sensors placed throughout the engine and exhaust system to gather data and adjust the engine's performance accordingly. The ECM's job is to maintain optimal engine performance while minimizing emissions and maximizing fuel efficiency. It achieves this by constantly monitoring the engine's conditions and adjusting the fuel-air mixture, ignition timing, and other factors to keep the engine running smoothly. When the ECM goes bad, it can cause a range of symptoms that can affect the vehicle's performance, including engine misfires. When the ECM goes bad, it can cause the engine to misfire. This means that one or more of the cylinders in the engine is not firing correctly. This can cause the engine to run rough or even stall altogether. Poor fuel efficiency. The ECM plays a critical role in maintaining the engine's fuel efficiency. When the ECM goes bad, it may not be able to adjust the fuel-air mixture correctly, which can result in poor fuel efficiency. This means that the vehicle may get fewer miles per gallon than usual. Engine stalling. The ECM controls the engine's idle speed. If the idle speed is too low or too high, the engine may stall. This can be especially dangerous if it happens while the vehicle is in motion. Warning lights. When the ECM goes bad, it can cause warning lights on the dashboard to illuminate, such as the check engine light or the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL. These lights indicate that there is a problem with the vehicle and should not be ignored. Erratic transmission shifting. The ECM also controls the transmission. A faulty ECM can cause erratic shifting or prevent the transmission from shifting at all. This can cause the vehicle to jerk or hesitate during acceleration. Unresponsive acceleration. The ECM controls the engine's power output. When the ECM goes bad, it can cause the engine to be unresponsive to accelerator input. This means that the vehicle may not accelerate as quickly as it should or may not accelerate at all. Rough idling. The ECM also controls the engine's idle speed. When the ECM goes bad, it can cause the engine to run rough while idling. This can be especially noticeable when the vehicle is stopped at a red light or in heavy traffic. If any of these symptoms are present, it is important to have the ECM checked by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to further damage to the vehicle and more expensive repairs down the line. A mechanic will be able to diagnose the problem and determine whether the ECM can be repaired or needs to be replaced. Replacing the ECM can be an expensive repair, so it is best to address any issues as soon as possible to avoid additional costs. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.